Ready, set, launch. We're in Mojave, California, where the next space race is taking off. And a budding aerospace engineer gets a rare chance to experience tomorrow's technology today.
Hi, my name is Derek Nye, and today I'm going to make science fiction a reality.
In 2011, the first commercial space flights will begin launching people and technology into space. And Mojave, California is the epicenter of the new space race. Upon arriving in this desert town, this 23-year-old mechanical engineering student has been given a backstage pass to an oasis of innovation.
My dream job is to be able to work with a company that is building rockets, building space planes, and that's what I'm studying right now, and that's really what I want to be able to do.
So, hello, Derek.
Nice to meet you.
So let's introduce you first to our first rocket airplane. This is the Easy rocket that we built back in 2000, 2001. So the way you set yourself apart from the crowd is to do something that nobody else has done, and that was to build and fly an actual man-carrying rocket-powered aircraft.
X-Core Aerospace's expertise is rocket-powered aircraft technology. Easy Rocket replaced the typical propeller with 2 thrust rocket engines that run on alcohol and liquid oxygen. Next, they built the X-Racer, powered by a LOX and kerosene engine.
So this is the X-Racer engine?
Yeah, this is the engine off the X-Racer. It's got helium bottles here to provide all the pressurization and the power to run the fuel pump. Has the LOX tank, which gets pressurized. These are standing in for the strakes of the wings on the airplane with the fuel in them. And all that gets fed into the engine for a total of 3 minutes of burn time. And that's 3 really exciting minutes. This is the next vehicle we're going to be doing. The Lynx will be a suborbital space tourism vehicle.
Roughly the size of a small private airplane, the Lynx's 4 rocket engines will provide a total of around 10,000 pounds of thrust, while smaller reaction control thrusters will allow the plane to maneuver in space.
So I see that's the cockpit. Is it okay if I take a seat?
Yeah, we'll give you a seat in the engineering mock-up, and we can show you what it looks like in there.
Great. So who's going to be flying on this thing?
At first, of course, X-Core pilots and engineers as test pilot and flight test engineer. Our chief test pilot is Rick Searfoss, a retired U.S. Air Force colonel and former Space Shuttle mission commander. Once we've got the vehicle through the flight test program and we're comfortable with it, then we can start flying paying participants. Those will include both space tourists, people just going to get the experience, and scientists.
Okay, well, I'm going to be heading over to Masson Aerospace now, but thank you very much for showing me everything X-Core does.
Hey.
Hello.
I'm Derek. I'm Dave Maston, Maston Space Systems. Welcome to our shop.
Thank you.
And this is Zombie here.
Awesome.
The 900-pound vertical takeoff Zombie rocket was built for precision. This 10-foot-tall innovation creates 1,100 pounds of thrust and can land within inches of its intended landing space.
So what are the big plans for Maston?
Solar system domination.
Solar system domination.
Solar system domination. In reality, what we're trying to do is really sort of change the way rocketry is done.
What separates you from the other kind of like commercial companies that are out there right now?
We're trying to say, hey, what about 3 people to launch a rocket? That's all you need.
Right, right.
Our big thing is we're vertical takeoff, vertical landing. We don't carry wings. It's all rocket powered.
Great.
We turn on the rocket, goes up, turn off the rocket somewhere mid-flight, come back down, relight the engine right before we touch the ground, and then nice soft landing.
So where do you test this thing?
Location just on the north side of the airport here, on the other side of the runways.
Awesome. Can we go out and take a look?
Yeah, let's go.
Great, thank you.
Now it's time to burn up the launch pad. Maston's team hauls out the Zombie. After fueling up, Derek joins the launch team for cross-checks and a pre-flight briefing.
All right, safety briefing.
test objectives. We're going to do up fast and land script.
The Zombie is prepared for launch, and Derek is ready to see and hear a high-powered rocket in action.
Yes! Woo! The town of Mojave is a very exciting place to be. Very hot, but very exciting. You get to see some of the leaders of the new commercial aerospace industry all in one place. It's just a melting pot for some of the greatest things that are going to be coming out.